Hey, thanks for watching. This is going to be a quick unboxing of the i7 TWS Apple Earpod Chinese copies. Uh, as you can see down here, it's a built-in rechargeable battery. Use it for calls, music, I guess voice recording, and they're wireless. Anyway, uh, this is the box they come in. Of course, this is, I guess, assembled upside down. I don't know if you 5 volts, 2.4 gigahertz Bluetooth, um, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, 33 feet distance, looks like a 1 to 2 hour charge time, and then up to 6 hours playing time. We can open up the box here and see what you get inside. And there are the EarPod replicas, and you do get one for each ear. I've seen some sites where you only get like one of the pods, or one of the earpods instead of both of them. And luckily this one actually was one of the ones that comes with a set, so you get stereo sound. And on both of them, I know on the earpods they don't have these little buttons here. The actual earpods have I guess something like a proximity sensor, and when you just touch them in that same spot to power those on. And then on the bottom of each of them, it looks like you've got the charging ports. And then open it up here. And it looks like you just got a basic charging cable. It's a split USB cable. See if I can plug one of these in with one hand. It looks like that's about as far as the actual charger goes into the unit. Anyway, you do that on both of them. It doesn't come with a wall plug. I guess they assume most people have those nowadays. Now, it looks like this is a little instruction booklet. Looks like it's mostly in Chinese. There's some specifications in English. Tells you how to pair, how to make a phone call, listen to music, powering them off, charging them. And it looks like that's all you get on instructions. One side's English. Oh, there's the English front. One side's English, one's in Chinese. So, it's compatible with both Android and iOS. And it looks like they actually must have some type of voice capabilities inside the actual earbuds themselves. Because it looks like you'll get an English-Chinese prompt, and then I'm taking it that you select one of the languages. And then it gives you the layout of what's what on. You've got the dust net in there to keep dust out. And it's a pretty fine looking net. Looks a lot like the past earbuds that I've gotten with past iPhones. Then of course you've got the power, multifunction button to power on and off and select the language that you want. And then the 3 is a microphone right there, that little hole below the power button, multifunction button. And then of course you've got the charging port on the bottom of both the left and right earbuds, and that is it, except for the listing that I actually won on Top Hatter for these. You could select which color you wanted. I just went with the white. I wasn't really interested in any of the other colors. I think that black was actually not an option on that listing. Maybe they were sold out, but anyway, there you have it. The i7 TWS Apple Earpod copies. And thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe for future tech videos, unboxings, things like that. And thanks again for watching.